Hello, today we are going to learn about the distributive property. You should have a worksheet that looks like this. If you do not, ask your teacher for one, or you can download it from the website in the description. So, what is the distributive property? The distributive property is something that says multiplying a number by a group of numbers. So, highlight multiplying a number by a group of numbers. Add together is the same as multiplying them separately. I'm going to show you what this means in 3 examples. Now, in your worksheet, there are just blanks for those examples, as you can see. So, example number 1. 3 and in parentheses 2 plus 5 is the same as 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Well, 3 will transfer onto the 2 and onto the 5. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 5 is 15. Oops, sorry. So you get 3, 2 plus 5 equals 3, 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Let's see if we get that for this side. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 5 is 15. 6 plus 15 equals 21. So either way of doing the distributive property is correct. Example 2. 4 times x minus 6. If we use the distributive property, we get 4x minus 24. Let's try that on the last example. X times x plus 2. So we draw our arches. Now, x times x is actually x squared. X times 2 is 2x. It worked. So, now let's see what happens if there are 2 terms outside the parentheses. I'm going to use an example to show you this. The example is x minus 1 times x plus 3. Well, what you do is, you have to transfer both of the numbers from bracket 1 Okay, I'm done dealing with this stupid software. Let's just draw the arches. So you have to use the distributive property on both. So you get, for the first one, x squared plus 3x minus 1 minus 1x minus 3. So the rule for this is you must distribute all numbers or variables. I'll give you a second to write that down. Alright, I believe we are good. Flip to the back of your paper or the next page, depending on how it's printed. So, we have 3 more examples we will do together. X minus 5 times x plus 2. Well, when we do the distributive property, you get x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 5x minus 10. Well, there's one more step I can take to simplify this problem. So I'm going to circle all terms, all like terms. So negative 5x and positive 2x. Since the negative is the stronger number, 5 is stronger than 2, I get x squared minus 3x minus 10. Right, let's do the next one. X minus 3 and x minus 7. Well, use distributive property to solve this. Distribute, you get x squared minus 7x minus 3x plus 21. Well, again, you have a like term here and a like term here. So when you simplify it, it's x squared minus 10x plus 21. Last example. X plus 2 and x plus 4. Well, when we solve it, becomes x squared plus 4x minus 2x plus 8. As you can see, I've already pre-circled my the like terms. So when you simplify it, it becomes x squared plus 6x plus 8. Equality, equal. If I want to check equality when there are variables in an expression, there are 2 steps. One, replace the variable with a number. If the variable repeats, you use the same number. Step 2 is evaluate. Therefore, today you will write down what you learned from the lesson. This will be your now you try. Remember to stay up as our next session will be a test. See you tomorrow.